It looks like a typewriter, but this machine, the Enigma, almost helped Germany win World War II. The Enigma machine was used by the Nazis to send coded messages with millions of possible settings that changed daily. Allied forces intercepted these messages, but couldn't understand them. Each was a wall of jumbled letters. Then a team of codebreakers, led by the brilliant Alan Turing, took on the impossible, cracking the Enigma code. Turing's invention, the bomber machine, tested combinations at lightning speed, helping to unlock Enigma's secrets. With this breakthrough, the Allies learned critical Nazi plans, changing the course of the war. The Enigma wasn't just a machine, it was a mystery, and breaking it may have saved millions of lives. Credits written by name, narrated by name, produced by name.